Hi, I'm Deborah from South Essex Slings. I'm going to show you how to use the Tula half buckle carrier in a hip carry with a toddler sized doll because my toddler is not cooperating. I've adjusted the carrier to the size to fit my child, so it's in its biggest setting at the moment. I've popped my waistband on slightly to the side over my hip, and then you can get your child. So, supporting baby centrally over the carrier. We will guide the fabric smoothly up over baby's back, ensuring that they're all central and both legs are well supported. The front strap will go over your shoulder. Keep hold of baby. Come round behind. Find that strap. Pull it nice and snug. Round over baby's leg. Over baby's leg and under the opposite leg. And then I will trap that between my legs. Then strap on the other side, comes under your arm. Under your arm, across your back. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then this one will come over baby's leg. You can spread the fabric out if you like, you don't have to. And then under baby's other leg, round behind you, find the fabric from the opposite side and tie in a double knot. So, check that baby is safe. So we will check that baby's airways are clear and visible, and we will check that baby's held tight enough. So if we lean forward, baby's weight should not be pulling away from us. Baby's body should stay touching us. And then we'll check that we're all nice and comfortable. Check that the fabric is nice and smooth over baby's back, that they're supported well knee to knee, that they've got a good pelvic tilt and their knees are up higher than their bottom. With smaller babies, try and get their arms up by their face. But with bigger babies, they can put them where they like if you've got this doll. And then if I wanted to move this strap up a little bit to make it a little bit more comfortable, I can, but I don't need to. You can slide that strap slightly more onto your shoulder instead of up into your neck. Just make yourself comfortable, make sure baby's safe, and then when you need to get out again, you'll undo your knot, one hand on baby, start to remove the straps. Pop baby down, then you can remove your waistband.